Well, I got a little impatient. I got all the transport mechanics back together, and I don't have all of the amplifier electronic stuff back in, but I really just wanted to see, are the lifters working, and is the capstan shutting off when the transport's supposed to be off? And those things aren't working yet. But man, this thing makes a wonderful racket, so I just thought I'd share it all with you. So we will flip the breaker, and there's a new cooling fan right back there, and it's doing a really fine job of cooling off both of the 39 volt supplies and the 24 volt supply, and then that flows up to the control relay box and the tension resistors. So that's nice, but it's noisy. Probably be better if I've got some panels on the front of this console or something. But so got some tape threaded up here, and all the transport functions work. I'll go ahead and the brake release switches are working. If you move the tension arms out, that releases the brakes. Probably can't see this real well in here. So that's working. It makes some funny noises still. And the lifters aren't working, so I don't want to do too much winding. Yeah, do you see that? Tension arm just kicked out there. I've got a really bad bottom flange on this reel, so it looks terrible. Fast forward. It's interesting. I don't know what's going on with the stoplight here. I'm sure it has something to do with a relay. Put it into play. Yeah, maybe it's doing better now. It was coming in slow before, but it's coming on better. So, okay. So in play mode, let's see, where's my flashlight? It's pretty neat. It's amazing. It's the first time I've really worked with the 1-inch tape. It's amazing how steady and smooth the tape is in the path. I remember working with my Tascam 58 and trying to adjust the tape path, and there really is a difference between the stability of the 1-inch tape and the 1/2-inch tape, and then an order of magnitude more with stepping down a 1/4-inch tape. But it's like you can't even see the tape moving in there. I was checking to see if the flutter idlers were spinning, and then I was like, wait a minute, is the tape even moving? I wasn't sure. I'd press play. So anyway, tape travels nicely through the path. There's that mechanical counter just ticking away. Pretty neat. So there's some stuff to deal with yet. And of course I don't know yet if the signal gets to tape and off tape and all of that. Mechanically, I guess we're getting there, although I still haven't solved my problems with the lifters. So I'm going to go after that next, see if I can get that figured out. They're free to move. You know. Yeah. But they're just, the lifter solenoid is just not being energized. Makes a lot of noise. Nice, sweet mechanical noises.